Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to appear offline on Instagram in 2024. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And once you are in the settings menu, you have to scroll down. And now you will see option of messages and story replies. Tap on it. And now you will see option that says show activity status. Tap on it. Here you will see a toggle for show activity status. Simply toggle this off. This will prevent others from seeing when you are active or last active on Instagram. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your activity status and will now appear offline on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.